Kaspa, Bitcoin, and a little bit of the rest of the market. And I think it's time to start making videos again. I think we're starting to get to the points here where, some bottoming out for sure. All right, now if we take a look at Kaspa, this thing is down what? Let's take a look from the top. 86, 87%. That's typical bear market drops, right? Typical. You go back through the last bear market, see a lot of altcoins drop 80, 90%. Some of them even a little bit more. Now, what I find interesting, this is a 3-month chart, right? Okay, we come down here and look at this is a 3-month close right here. This red one, that's a 3-month close. The green one, okay. So very good support area. Where have we landed? Right on those support areas. I might take a look at a long position on Kaspa here, right? If you want to find out on that stuff, sign up for level 3 membership. It's in the description of the video. Come over and join us and trade with us, man. We love longing and shorting the market. Make money both ways over there. We've got a lot of great traders. Bit right in over there. I love it over there in Discord. Anyway, now we can take a look here. This is pulled down through a 786. That's fine. All right, no problem. But man, oh man, I truly believe this could be a bottom for Kaspa, right? No question about it. 3-month RSI, there is none right now. The monthly, look at the monthly. Right on the bottom. 0.96 and a 1.73. All right, the weekly, head to the upside. And look at, ever since it hit this area, right, we had a double bounce here, double bottom. We had a bottom here, boop. We had another bottom over here. You could call that a double bottom. Double bottoms are super bullish, right? That is a very good thing, right? As long as they hold, okay? Now if you come in here on a daily looks good, still heading up, right? I mean, what's this thing up this week? From the bottom to the top, pretty decent move, right? Almost 14%. There's other stuff out there. Look at XRP. That thing's doing a major bounce here, right? Major move. Now if we come down through here with a trend line, can't really get one out here. It's going to go way out there. But if we start here, come down through, it's outrun it. Has it broke it? I don't know. Hard to say there, really. Not much to go off of right there, right? Now if you come out here on this one here and pull it out, would know more, if it gets up towards that area, which would be definitely pretty nice. A lot of stuff looking like it's in that bottoming section, right? Even here you got some, you pull this up, you got some bullish divergence here. You got this low, a higher low, a higher low on the RSI, right? Now if you come up here and look at price, you got this low. Let's see here. You got this low, a little bit of higher low, and then the same low here. So you're showing higher lows on the RSI down here. A double bottom structure here, coming in on a fantastic 3-month support area, and bouncing off that area, which is great. That's what you want to see. Could be a very good position for a long, right? That weekly RSI turning back to the upside here. That's a 9 EMA, that blue line on there. It's just about ready to pop above it here, okay? If it does pop above it, that would be great news. Right now it's struggling a little bit to get above it, but if it does get above there and hold above that, that would be pretty decent news there, right? Okay, now let's go back over here to Bitcoin. All right, what do we got here with Bitcoin? Well, something I've talked about numerous times. All right, 2017 top here. This came back down right over here in 2022 to retest it. That held as support the bear market. You started your bear market, came down, retested it, right? Now, we ran up here, 2025. We've come back down in 2026 to retest once again our technical high right here, okay? And it's held, okay? And a lot of people called me crazy, said it was going a lot lower. So far it hasn't, right? Could it? Yeah, oh yeah. You know, nobody knows for sure, right? All we can do is look at these charts and get an idea. Now, you have a trend line coming up through here, right at a major area of resistance. Can it break through there? Okay, that's right at about 76.5. Okay, we get through 76.5, you know, it could end up having a pretty decent run here, right? Definitely, no question about it. We come out in a 6 month. I find this pretty interesting, right? Check this out. The Elliott waves. Everybody, you know, those of you that watch the channel are familiar with Elliott waves, right? You got 1, 2, you got 3, you got 4 coming back. Doesn't violate the top of wave 1. Perfectly 100% legit. And you got a wave 5 starting in 2017. You know, 1, 2, 3 wave in 2021. 4th wave pullback in 2022. Then your 5th wave top in 2025. Pretty interesting, right? Now, if you go up this whole thing, how far we pulled back? You know, to a 50% pullback. So, is there more room to pull back? There is, right? For sure, no question. A 6 month, you have a down here at 45. You have a really good support area at 45,000. You have 2 monthly closes right there. Could that be in the cards? Could be. We'll see. We'll just have to see, you know, if history repeats itself and if it holds here. You know, with these back tests, especially on the monthly, you know, 2017 retest held. You know, back up here, came down, retest. So far is held. You know, big thing to tell here is this 76.5. Will it break through there? You know, pretty strong area here. But Bitcoin for the week, you know, is up quite a bit. If we go up this bottom here, you know, pretty decent move, especially for Bitcoin, 16.5%. Not looking too bad. At Kaspa, like I said, double bottom, looking very, very good, man. The weekly RSI heading to the upside, looks great. Bullish divergence on the bottom. The monthly RSI right at the very bottom, looking good. I mean, this could turn out to be a really decent long here, right? You have you got 5 waves down. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, which typically will mark a bottom, double bottom structure, and start to get a bounce here. You know, if you come in here, tighten it up on this thing, right? It's going to weekly, make it a little bit better. You know, and you can get a trend line, I believe. Let's go from here down through here, you know, and that's showing a breakout right there, right? Even if you come up here, up that one, you're still showing a break, right? You got the top here, and it's showing a breakout through here, right? So you could get a decent run out of Kaspa for sure. Keep an eye on this thing, no doubt about it. Bitcoin's looking pretty decent. We'll see what happens here with the market, guys. Come over and join us in Discord. It's a level 3 membership. Come over and trade with us. We would love to have you. And let's start making some money, guys. The market is starting to look like it might turn around here. Thank you so much. Please hit that like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.